This is something.
That's definitely something.
This is also something. I'm really good at unboxing, as you can say. This is something. This is something. And this is the something. This is the something right here. That's the something. But I think the main thing I'm going to open is this. I want to take everything else out. Alright, moment of truth right here. Okay, is that the warranty sticker, huh? No, I'm kidding. Of course, there's always more to open. They never let you, it's never easy, you just never be like, oh, there it is. No,